You're just holding it.
All right.
All right, here we go. Ready? Okay. There's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. I gotta do something with that. There's five. There's six. There's seven. Okay, let's go. There's eight. There's nine. Need help with one? One more. Come on, get in faster. Here we go. There's 10. Woo! There's Anna. There's Marissa, praising it to the God of frozen turkeys. And there's Laurel. And there's Vanessa. Woo! And there's Carol. And there's Patricia, squatting it down. And there's Ben.